What is going on, Garage Couple fans? On this week's episode, we have something super exciting for you. We are off-roading and doing a photo shoot with Milestar tires. For those of you that don't know, Greg is rocking the Milestar Patagonia 38-inch tires that we absolutely love. So make sure to check out all the amazing content from the off-roading and the photo shoot. Let's do it.
We are just taking a couple of breaks and taking some photos, going up an offshoot. So much fun is being had. So much fun is being had. Is that even a thing? It's 3:30. The sun is gonna set in about an hour, and we're hoping to get some golden hour photos in just a little while. Man, it's so fun coming out on the trails, especially after a 24-hour shift.
That's a wrap, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the footage. I know we did. Shout out to Milestar for this amazing experience, and on to the next.